Welcome to BOLG, the platform designed to connect biotech professionals, freelancers, and companies. In today's video, we'll show you how to effectively use our company's directory to find biotech companies that align with your goals and interests. To get started, simply visit bolg.co and head over to the company's directory section. Here, you'll have access to a wide variety of biotech companies. The directory lets you search for companies based on several important criteria. You can filter by country, so if you're interested in working with companies from specific regions or exploring global opportunities, it's just a few clicks away. Next, you can filter by the year the company was established. Whether you're looking to connect with newer startups or well-established companies with a proven track record, the choice is yours. Another powerful feature is our color code category system. This makes it easier to find companies that match your industry of interest, whether it's agricultural biotech, medical biotech, food biotech, or others. Just choose the category that aligns with your needs. Additionally, you can explore companies by biotech sectors they cover. This helps narrow down companies based on the specific field they operate in, ensuring that you're connecting with relevant businesses. And if you're looking for job opportunities, there's also a filter for that. Simply select offering jobs to find companies actively seeking biotech professionals and freelancers. Once you've applied your filters, browse through the results and click on individual company profiles for more detailed information. You'll find everything from their products and services to whether they're currently hiring. With BOLG's companies directory, finding biotech companies that fit your interests and career goals has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring today.